if your microphone isn't working on Windows 11, whether it is for Zoom, Discord, Teams, or voice recording, don't worry. In this complete video, I'm going to walk you through every possible fix step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first step is check microphone connection. Before diving into settings, make sure your microphone is connected properly. For wired microphone, ensure it's fully plugged into the correct port. For USB mics, try unplugging and plugging into a different USB port, especially one directly on the PC or laptop. For Bluetooth mic or headset, go to settings, then go to the Bluetooth and devices. Make sure your device shows up under paired and is connected. If it is not, then there are options add device. Okay, so click on this add device and then select Bluetooth, and you can see there are any device and you can connect it. If it's connected and still not working, move on to the next step. So next step is enable microphone in privacy settings. Let's check whether your system is even allowed to use the mic. Open settings, go to the privacy and security, then scroll down and find microphone. Click on it and you can see microphone access is on. So make sure on. If your microphone access is off, then turn it on, and also on Skype, Microsoft Teams, or OBS Studios. Whatever you are using for the voice, you have to turn it on. Like sound recorder, also have to turn it on. Okay? If this is turned off, your mic won't work in any app, even if the hardware and drivers are fine. So make sure apps can access your microphone. So make sure that you have to turn on all those apps you want to use for recording. Let's move to the next step. The next step is check input device in sound setting. Let's make sure your system is actually using the right mic. Right click on the sound icon, select sound settings, scroll down to the input section and make sure the correct microphone is selected. You can see the correct microphone is selected, and also you can speak into mic input level bar sound move when it detects sound. Whenever I talk, the sound was detected, and this is the bar that you can know that which microphone is working. So if no input is showing or it's set to the wrong device, switch to the correct one. So if I select this, then you can see the microphone is not detected. So make sure you choose the right one. That's how the microphone, you can see that it's detected my level bar, microphone input level bar. Okay, so then go to the next step. Next step is adjust input volume. In the same sound settings, under input, click on microphone. Use the volume slider 85 or 90, whatever is best for your voice, and it should be recognized. So use the input volume slider to increase the level. Aim for around 85 to 90. I choose 85 because it sounds more stable. And you can try speaking into the mic and watch the test meter move. You can see whenever I talk, the test meter is moving, right? If it's too slow, you might sound muffled or silent even if the mic is working. Then go to the next step, set the default microphone. Windows sometimes pick the wrong mic automatically, especially if multiple devices are connected. In the search bar, type change system sound and open it. Go to the recording tab, find your microphone. If this is your microphone, set it as a default device, then set as default communication device. But my microphone is it, and this is, you can see there is a green symbol that it's set it as my default microphone and set as a default communication device. This helps apps like Zoom or Discord use the right mic. So go to the next step, update microphone driver. Outdated or missing drivers can cause all kinds of issues. Right click on the start button, choose device manager, expand the audio input and output, right click your microphone and update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, let Windows search and install the latest driver. After updating, restart your computer Then go to the next step, restart audio services. Sometimes Windows audio services stop responding, and restarting them can bring your mic back. Press Windows plus R to open the run, type services.msc and hit the enter. Okay. Scroll down and find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So right click each of them and restart. This references the audio engine and clear out the audio processor. Next step is run the Windows Troubleshoot. Let Windows scan for audio problems automatically. Go to the settings, then system, then scroll down and you will find the troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters. You will find audio, click run and follow the steps. This is useful if there are hidden errors or permissions blocking your mic. Go to the next step, test the microphone hardware. Now we will check if the microphone itself is the issue. Try the microphone on another PC or device like your phones or tablet, or try using a different microphone on your current system. If your mic works on other devices, the issue is likely with your PC setting. If it doesn't work anywhere, the mic could be damaged or defective. Go to the next step, try a different USB or audio jack. If you are using USB microphone, try plugging it into a different USB port, preferable on the back of a desktop or the opposite side of a laptop. If you are using a 3.5mm jack mic, try using a different headset jack. If your headset has a mute switch, double check that it is off. You can also test this in the sound settings. Each port may register as a different mic. Next step is check volume mixer and app setting. Right click on the speaker icon and open volume mixture. Make sure no mic or app is muted. If you are using apps like OBS, Discord, Zoom or Teams, open their audio settings and double check that the right microphone is selected inside the app. Some programs use their own audio settings that override Windows defaults. Hope these steps can help you. And the bonus tip, avoid conflicting audio software. If you have installed software from audio brands like Realtek, SteelSeries, Razer or others, they might interfere with default mic set. Try disable or uninstall third-party audio managers if you suspect they are overriding your system setting. And that's it. Those are 11 plus detailed steps to fix any microphone problems in Windows 11. If one of these steps helped, make sure to subscribe for more PC troubleshooting videos like this one.
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.